Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. President Ram Nath Kovind has said that everyone should work together to achieve a tuberculosis-free India by 2025. In his message on the eve of World Tuberculosis Day, Kovind congratulated all the DP champions who have battled the disease and are showing the way for others. World Tuberculosis Day is observed on 24th March to raise public awareness about tuberculosis. On this day in the year 1882, Dr. Robert Koch announced the discovery of the bacteria that causes TB. It paved the way for the diagnosis and cure of this disease. The President expressed appreciation to the National TB Elimination Program for its quickness to deploy effective mitigation measures and adapted to the changed environment to ensure that the TB patients across the country had access to treatment despite facing many challenges due to the pandemic. Executive Engineer Electrical Division Kohima, Roko Ngutio Soho, has reminded consumers to clear their outstanding electricity bills to avoid inconvenience. In a press release, the executive engineer reiterated that a disconnection drive for both government and private consumers is being undertaken in full swing. It also stated that for any clarification regarding bills, consumers can visit the office of the respective subdivisional officer. In view of the South Asian Cross Country Championship being organized in Kohima on 26 March at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Deputy Commissioner Kohima Gregory Tejavele has issued directives for traffic management within Kohima municipal area and new capital complex. According to the directives, the earmarked route between Indira Gandhi Stadium and KMC Tata Parking near Northfield School Junction on National Highway 2 will be totally restricted for vehicular movement from 1 p.m. on 25th March. All vehicles parked along this route should be removed by 11 a.m. Vehicular movement on the earmarked route will be diverted from High School Junction to High Court Junction via NBCC Convention Hall, New Secretariat Complex. No parking zone from New NST to Razu Point and Razu Point to Local Ground Northern Gate will continue till further direction. Alternative parking has been demarcated at Old MLA Hostel Building. No heavy vehicles will be allowed to ply in Kohima Municipal and New Capital Complex area on 26 March from 6 a.m. onwards. All loading and unloading within these areas should be completed before 6 a.m. Under the Digital India program, the Ministry of Panchayati Raj is implementing ePanchayat Mission Mode project (MMP) with the aim to transform the functioning of Panchayati Raj institutions, making them more transparent, accountable and effective. In a written reply in the Rajya Sabha yesterday, Minister of State for Panchayati Raj, Kapil Moreswara Patel said, the ministry has launched eGram Swaraj, a work-based accounting application for Panchayati Raj institutions under the ePanchayat MMP on 24th April 2020. He said this application encompasses all aspects of Panchayat functioning like planning or budgeting, accounting, monitoring, asset management and online payments on a single digital platform. Centre has written to states saying that there should be continued focus on the five-fold strategy of test, track, treat, vaccination and adherence to COVID-appropriate behaviour. In a letter to all states and UTs yesterday, Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said the state enforcement machinery should effectively enforce the norms of COVID-appropriate behaviour, like wearing of face masks and maintaining safe physical distancing in all public areas. Centre has asked states and UTs to continue implementation and monitoring of necessary measures for prompt and effective management of COVID and to ensure effective compliance of various advisories issued by Union Health Ministry. It said that there should be constant review of emerging data of new cases at a district level based on a sustained and critical level of testing to facilitate the evidence-based decisions for restrictions. And as we end the bulletin, we appeal to our listeners to stay safe from COVID-19 by following these 4 simple steps. Get fully vaccinated, wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. That is all we have in this morning bulletin. Have a good day.